Ramona. My dear students, good evening everybody. Now I am going to discuss about Spinozzi magnetic moment magnetic formula for Brown ring complex. Brown ring complex. You know very well, Brown ring, the word which is being most important in secondary practical chemistry. That is, we have to confirm the nitrate ions, nitrate anions, nitrate anion, NO3 minus. Confirming test for nitrate anions is nothing but Browning test. You know very well Browning, how Browning will form, how nitrate ion we have to identify, salt solution plus con H2SO4 and copper tunings, salt solution plus con H2SO4, copper tunings. What happened? Getting heating. What happened? Reddish brown vapor substance. It may be nitrate. Again, we have taken salt solution, salt solution, salt solution plus freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution, freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution. You put test tube in inclined position, add drop by drop con H2SO4. You will have a Browning complex that is nothing but nitroso ferrous sulfate. So, what we are going to get? Add drop by drop con H2SO4. We will get Fe H2O 5 NO SO4. FeH2O 5 NO nitroso ferrous sulfate. Okay. So now first of all, when you are going to calculate the Spinozzi magnetic moment for iron, let us go for oxidation state of iron. Let us calculate. We have to calculate the oxidation state of iron. So now I am going to, this is nothing but FeH2O 5 NO plus 2 plus sulfate ion minus 2. I am going to divide this one. Okay? Okay. Okay. Now you don't want this one. I want this one. Okay? No problem. Let us oxidation state of iron is X. X. Am I correct? Pakka correct. X plus 5 into H2O is a neutral ligand. No problem. Oxidation state of water is nothing but 0. Okay. Okay. No problem. Plus NO. NO plus 1. So, NO ligand nothing but plus 1. There is only one NO group plus 1 is equal to, we must equal to the charge present on complex. You know very well. We have done number of stoichiometric problems regarding oxidation state. So, no problem. So, we have equal plus 2. X 5 into 0, 0 plus 1. X plus 1 is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 minus 1. This is nothing but 1. So, in this complex, nitroso ferrous sulfate complex, the iron oxidation state is nothing but plus 1. I think you are clear. This is Brown ring complex. This is the confirmation test to identify the nitrate ion NO3 minus nitrate ion, salt solution plus ferrous sulfate solution. You must be put test tube in inclined position. Then you must add drop by drop con H2SO4. We get this complex. the separation of two solutions. You can observe the ring. We can observe the ring. This ring is nothing but brown ring. This is nothing but nitrous or ferrous sulfate. You know very well. What the examiner has asked, we have to identify the oxidation state. Then afterwards, we have to calculate the spin only magnetic moment. So, okay. So, x is equal to 1. The next one is, now I am going to iron. You know iron oxidation, atomic number 26. Atomic number 26. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6, 4s2. I am going to write valency configuration. I don't want to go total electronic configuration. I am going to write valency outermost configuration. Please note it. 3d6, 4s2, 26 over. Okay. If we iron loses, what we want? Fe plus 1. Fe plus 1. So what happened? What happened here? Fe plus 1, this is nothing but 3d6, 4s1. One electron loses. Iron loses one electron. It converted to Fe plus 1. That indicates in 4s2 we have two electrons. One electron is removed. So that is 3d6, 4s1. Okay, no problem. I think you are clear. 26. What happened? I want Fe plus 1. So remove one electron from 4s. So after removing one electron, the 4s2 converted to 4s1, no problem. So 3d6, 4s1, okay. Again 4s1, 4p, 4d also there, okay. But there is no electron here, okay, no problem. Now, please think this issue. Here water is a weak field ligand, no doubt about it. This is a weak field ligand. NO is a strong field ligand. So there, what happened? Because of weak field ligand and strong field ligand, NO is a strong field ligand, water is a weak field ligand. So because of this type of tendency, the S electron from this S electron present in, I can write Eplisi. This is, but because of the weak field ligand and strong field ligand, this S electron will come to 3d orbital and converted 3d7. So now I am going to write 3d7 means no electron. I think you are clear. Because of this is weak field ligand, this is strong field ligand. So there is a big possibility for pairing. So the S electron enters into 3d, for which this may be converted to 3d7, 4s. No, there is no. S electron jumps to 3d shell. So 3d6 converted to 3d7. So 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Here how many ligands are there? 5 plus 1, 6. So each ligand contributes 2 electrons. So here 2, here 2, here 2, here 2, here 2, here 2. 2, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 electrons contribute 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals, 2 d orbitals. This is D, this is P, this is S. So S P3 D2. sp3d2 configuration. Okay. Outer sphere complex. Okay. Presence of unpaired electrons are there in D 3d7. There is no s orbital here. 3d7. So we have 3 unpaired electrons are there. Because of 1, 2, 3 unpaired electrons are there. Due to presence of unpaired electrons, it shows paramagnetic character. What I am telling you? Paramagnetic character. sp3d2 configuration. 6 ligands are there. Each ligand contribute 2 electrons. So here yes 2 electrons. P 3 p orbitals are there. 2 2 2 2 d orbitals. 2 2 6 is over. So out of yes p3 d2 configuration, it undergoes sp3d2 hybridization. Octahedral geometry. What is that? Octahedral geometry. The shape is nothing but octahedral. It shows paramagnetic outer sphere complex, outer sphere. Shall I write it one? Outer sphere complex, sp3d2. But what the examiner has asked, spinoli magnetic. How many unpaired electrons? 1, 2, 3. So now I am going to 3 unpaired electrons. Mu is equal to root of under root n into n plus 2. Here n is equal to 3. This is nothing but 3 into 3 plus 2. This is nothing but 3 plus 2, 5, root 15 Bohr magneton. Or you can say 3.8788 needle. Root 16 means 4. Root 15 means 3.87, approximately 3.6 you can write. Or you can write root 15 Bohr magneton. So this is the question. So the thing is only two important points are there. One is in Brownring complex, what is the oxidation state of iron? That is +1. Please note it one. At the same time, what is the oxidation state of NO? That is also +1. Another 2 bits over. What is the magnetic moment? Spinoli magnetic moment. The unpaired electrons are there. It shows paramagnetic character. Okay. What is the magnetic moment? You substitute N instead of N, we have to substitute 3. 3 into 3 plus 2, 5 into 3, root 15 Bohr magneton. Approximately 3.85 something. Okay. Third, and again, octahedral geometry, outer sphere complex, paramagnetic nature. Because of unpaired electrons, it shows paramagnetic character. sp3d2 configuration, octahedral geometry, outer sphere complex. I wish you all the best. God bless you.